1.8.0_171, not 144. So that is where I went wrong. Sorry, so maybe not. Space here. There was a space. Lift. Alright, I have missed something here. Ah! Yeah, that's kind of great. Whoops. At least I caught it, guys. So, students.
The slash JVM at the end of the loop.
I goofed that one up. The button on my jacket hit the enter key. Damn it.
Sure, blame the jacket.
No, seriously. I know, right? Sudo. I didn't do it that time. That's not good. Samba's freaking out. What in the world? Oh boy, that stinks. Having a kernel panic. It looks like. Sorry, I should have been a little better prepared. There we go. That was painful. Now let's try this. Suffering from fat fingers today. Don't know why. There we go. Let's fix this here. Again, you'll have to fix this with whatever version of Java that you're working off of.
What do those?
I want to say it's doing some sort of update for the install base. I really don't know why it actually matters though, to be honest with you.
And the grams pinned in 1, numeral 1 because
I'm not sure, I think that's a static. What's throwing me off is this bin, Java, etc. Let me actually go in there and look at those directories. This was so much easier when they had the right Java version. There. Jobs. Jars. Okay. Sudo update dash alternatives dash dash update. And then we had Java C. That's why I gotta do this here. They hit Java, and did not hit Java C or Java WS. Okay. Nice. Nice. All right. See, there we go. Java WS. What? Okay. Okay, what am I missing? Oh, we get that's not too big of a difference. Java. Java, Java C. Not letting me do Java WS though, that's weird. Okay. Why do you not let me do Java WS? Did I missed something. Ah, that's why. Yeah, I can stuff. It is different. You see how particular Linux is? A lot different than just point, click. Oh, that's how we do this in my book. You screw up. Oh, it is. Ah, auto mode, there it goes. Nothing to configure. Okay, fine. Alright, so now we should be able to do all these in rapid succession, except we need to change our Java JDK reference. C. Good. Alright, then we do these updates for Java one at a time. Don't you just hate Java, guys? They don't teach you this in Java class, do they? Hell no. This is like, yeah, for good reason. This is like the meat and potatoes. This is this admin stuff behind Java that they don't want you to learn about.
Now they just give you computers that already have it.
Yeah, and you know what? How many times that actually happens in real life?
Yeah.
Ask any sysadmin that's worth his salt. Or her salt. I won't be that way. And as you can see, if you see nothing to configure, that's okay. Nothing to see here. Move along. Alright, so WS is just not working. Fine. Alright, so now you can do the Java version and you should get something as far as a return for Java version. I hope. At least I think I did that right. So Java dash version. Hey, looky there. That's nice. Alright, so now, geez, that was just Java and it took us 25 minutes. Oh my god. I told you it was going to take a while, right?
So what about C#?
Huh? No.
You're funny.
Yeah, I know, right? As he says to the guy who only got to like C++ in college.
I'd rather C# than D flat.
I'd rather just wrap it up in Python and call it a day. Oh!
There's no curly braces.
Doing this?
What version of Tomcat should we get?
I
Can we
think
upgrade?
it's looking for version 9.
Yeah, can we upgrade? Or do we want that version?
I don't think so because this version is the vulnerable version. So this would be a good question as to whether this is going to work or not.
Okay then.
I haven't checked it in a couple of months. So CD temp, and let's do this wget. Hopefully it'll work. Pray it works. Is it giving you a 4? Great. So it looks like you're going to be updating this stuff. Looks like it.
I'm not surprised, honestly.
I think we're fresh out of the schools.
Yeah.
Okay, here's how we get around that.
Well, is it Tomcat that's vulnerable, or is it Struts that's in Tomcat?
Struts that's in Tomcat, but the version of Struts in this version of Tomcat is how you get it. Right? And I bet you they're not going to let you do it because it's stinking deprecated.
Fair enough.
Why? Because it's vulnerable. Alright, so that's okay. Here's what we do.
I'm Googling shit if I can find it.
You can't find it and you're Googling it?
Yeah, archive.apache.org.
Hey.
Huh?
Yeah, I found it. I
Oh.
just Googled the version number on it and first link.
Do something like that.
I literally just Googled
Whatever you get.
9.0.0. I googled Tomcat 9.0.0.m26 and it gave me
Got 266?
M26.
Oh, M26. That one there?
The second one.
So does W get, what are you looking for, the whole thing?
On the R.U.
Is that under bin, or is that under source?
I'm on.
You're still on a slightly different page. Go back.
It's in your bin.
Ah,
Yeah.
this one?
No, that has the player in it. First bottom. Higher. Right there. Same file. Should just be able to copy the address.
Now, let's see, that should work. I hope. There we go. So for you that were following along, thank you for that, by the way. I'll get this updated. There's the wget. I will post this updated file on Blackboard tonight too. Then we're going to tarball that, make it, move it, nano it, export it, and look at its source. And we're still all the way up here. Wow, lovely, right?
Move it back another week.
Maybe two. I told you, this one takes a while.
Yeah.
It takes a while. But like I said, you're going to get a lot of experience there, we're done, in system administration with Linux in this class. All right, so let's tar it. Tar XVZF Apache Tomcat, yada yada yada. There we go. And sudo dir whack user whack local whack Tomcat. Sudo move Apache yada 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 whack star space whack user whack local whack Tomcat. Nice. Now we're good with brief. All right. In the SSA session controlling your Ubuntu server, execute the command cd nano space dot bash add this line to the bottom of the file as shown below. So we're going to add that export line. Oh, I went into Nano, didn't I? God, I don't know Nano.
It needs to be I mean,
I know, man. I'm like, why did I go into Nano? I'm lost.
or Emacs.
I'm joking, man. Come on. Give me some credit here.
Because now it's good.
I speak multiple Bash languages.
Nano is a text editor, not a Bash language.
Exactly, I'm sitting down.
Oh yeah.
And then we want to control X, save, yes. Enter, done. All right.
I'm gonna change the
Oh! Thank you. That would have been bad. All the way down the bottom again. Thank you for that. And control X and yes to save and enter and go back.
Can you edit it in Word document?
Thank you. All right. So, set the new environment. Source.bash rc. So, source space dot bash. Go. And then we want to execute the startup script for Tomcat, which we can do from root. Copy. Yep. Tomcat is now started. Yay. Web browser, open the URL, replacing the IP address with the IP address of your Ubuntu server. So, this is a check. Copy that, and I don't have to go into, obviously, my Ubuntu server. I just need to make sure I know what that IP is, because I forgot. So my IP is 225.134. Open up a tab, yada yada, HTTP. Replace my IP with this one here. 192.168.225.134, which is the IP of.
Should we be on NAT or
You should be on NAT. I said that last week. So there you go. There it is. Woohoo! Now we're cooking with grease. Install unzip. So now it kind of goes a little bit faster because as long as these strut versions are still available. That'll be interesting to see. I'm not sure about that.
whatever they keep going over?
Ah, man, you know, gotta love the open source community.
It's only half broken.
Sudo apt update. Sudo apt install unzip. Good. Sweet, sweet. All right, now let's see if we can get this struts version. If not, we're gonna have to play around and find it. It's always fun. Oh, looky there. It worked.
Amazing.
Happy day. And then we're gonna move it.
Why don't you just do it here?
Yeah, I guess. Lazy sysadmin, man.
You still control is great.
Huh?
Yeah. Still control is great.
It's alright, I can take the criticism.
You and me and like before that.
What's that supposed to
Looks like this might take a little bit of time though, a couple minutes.
So, what would you do today? Why are you suited up?
Why am I suited up?
Yes, sir.
I had an interview for a professorship over at Mount Sac.
Ah, exciting.
Asked me about it Tuesday, because I'm supposed to find out tomorrow whether I'm coming back for the final interview or not. Which,
And when you say final, you mean not the final?
no, final interview. Yeah. So I don't know. I have mixed feelings about it because the position sounds like cashier downstairs at the CLA building. I paid for my pass. It took me quite literally 10 minutes. Walked out to my car, got my pass, came back out to my car, had a ticket. I'm like, you gotta be kidding me.
Are you sure you bought it?
Oh no, I went. The police station isn't where it is now, and the parking structure is actually over here in the mobiles. So I walked over there and I said, "Are you kidding me?" And they're like, "Oh, sorry." All right, true story.
Well, back in the day, we used to be able to plug quarters over here too.
Yeah.
Back in the day.
Yep.
Yeah, exactly.
All right, so let's move struts.
I would say.
Here.
Oh, they do that.
And we're down to installing Mavens. All right, so let's go to CD temp.
Maven is also
Let's find Maven. Wait. Three point 5.0. Under binaries, I would assume. And see if this works. Oh, gotta put WGET in front of it, sorry. Damn it. I caught it that time, guys. Here goes. That's going to come next after it's downloaded. And we'll go back in Bash RC and change it there. no space dot bash rc. Scroll down, find this line, add this line to the bottom of the file as shown. Export path, string path, opt Apache Maven version 3.0.50 bit. Back to our exports. Pasting that line in. There we go. And Control X, Y, enter. And we're now have to compile it again. So we have to do source.bashrc. Go. And then we're going to look at the Maven version. Go. 3.50. We're set. Now we need to create a project under Maven. Alright, so now we're pretty much at this point done installing everything that we need once we get Maven installed. And now we gotta set up the actual environment to hack it. Alright, so from here it's going to be kind of rapid succession. Oops, missed something. Oops. Go. So I just cut and pasted those 3 lines into bash. You have to enter a couple of snapshots. It's like the Matrix, right? Except it needs to be green. Choose number or apply a filter format. Press enter. Choose a number. Choose org, Apache Maven, archetype Maven, quick start version. Press enter. Find value property of archetype ID. So I'm just going to take all the defaults here. Find value property snapshot. Property it's right above your build block. Your figures. Go to work.
Say, is this confirmed property? Confirmed to the left. Go down right there. That is
My web app.
Yeah.
Okay.
I was just curious.
There it is. There we go. Build success. Yay! Woo! So, pay attention to this right here. This should probably. Alrighty. So now we need to move to my web app. And nano this pom.xml file. At the bottom of the file, in the build section, change my web app to basics_struts. There it is. So change this right here to basic_struts. Control X, say yes, enter, done. Oh, no. Build final name. That's wrong. Go back. This is my web app. Where's final name? So it's under build, final name. Build. God, don't you just love XML? You guys thought you were all done with this stuff, huh?
Yeah.
No, we lied. I guess it really doesn't matter. Does it come in or after the plugins? That's the question. After dependencies. project section. Dependencies. That isn't the build section. Oh, that's just so damn confusing. So I guess we can come here. Final name. So add this tag, basic struts. And close the tag. X, yes, enter. Wow, what a pain. Now I gotta make a new dependency. Lovely. So under my current dependency, I gotta make another dependency right here. So easy. Are you kidding me? There it is. Okay, just threw it off. Clean it up a little bit. There we go. Yay. Alright. What's left here? Save it. Yay, save it. X. Yes. Enter. Hit sign in, it's alright. Maven clean package. That. Oh no! Doesn't like something. Ah, that's why, I see. I don't have it in the proper order. This is why I never went into programming, ladies and gentlemen. I did not have the patience to be a programmer.
Does anyone really have the patience to be a programmer?
Dude, you're the CS major.
I know, and I don't have the patience.
Sorry, I was a little quippy there today, wasn't I?
This is what happens when you don't have coffee.
coffee, man, I swear.
He's addicted.
I'm not.
Hard too. Anybody who knows you can say you are.
They had one addiction.
Wait. Why are you fighting my eulogy already? You guys know something I know?
Yes, we do.
I can see the future, and I see that you're gonna die sometime in your life.
Wow. That's deep.
Wait, did you go to college to get that? The ability to say that?
Man, you sound like a liberal arts major.
Studies show that.
We're business majors, we can say that stuff, it's okay. Okay, at least we're having some fun in class tonight.
Yeah.
Let me get this cleaned up here a little bit.
At some point.
Usually it's towards the end.
It's a study.
Oh my god, what is rustic?
Fix that, so I gotta put a. God, I hate tags, man. I really hate this stuff. Alright, so let's try to save that and see if that works. So what I'm doing is I'm adding a dependency to this POM file, this configuration file. So when I make the package, it goes out and it looks for this group for org.apache.struts and installs the artifact struts 2 core with that 2.510 version. Yay! Not really. Woo! It worked. God, you think I was a CS major or something? Oh, I am a CS major, that's right. Alright. So there's a clean package command. Create a war file ready to deploy at that location. However, we don't actually need that application, we'll deploy a different one later. So, configuring the web-based deployment. So now we're going to go back into Bash and add the line export Catalina home user local Tomcat. We'll save it and then we'll source it once this is done. Alright. So, cd nano dot hash rc. Put it on the bottom. I think we type this out, it's not too long. This other export. Remember, things are case sensitive in Linux. Please remember that. Alright, Control X, save it, yes, and then source it. Done. Now we just need to adjust the Tomcat configuration to allow administrators to have remote access. So we're going to go to this config file, just in Tomcat, that XML file. Make this smaller. N-O, string, Catalina underscore home, whack comp, whack cat dash users dot xml. And all right, so in this section, insert the line into Tomcat users section. We're going to look for the roles. Well, there's a user section. So, this is the user section, excuse me. Where's the roles? Oh, there it is. So, role. Role name equals manager dash GUI. In quote. Space dot that. And then we'll add the user here at the end. Username, admin, password, admin. Geez, that's real secure, isn't it? Roles equal manager dash GUI. Alrighty, there we go. Where did I typo? Huh? I can't spell username right, can I? Okay, thanks for the catch. Appreciate that. That would have caused an error. It's getting late. Alright. Save the file, and then we're going to do these scripts for Catalina. Basically restarting, so it takes those changes that we made to that config file into account. Go. Tomcat stop, Tomcat start. Boom, 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 boom. So now we can go to the web administrator page that we named manager. So check this out. We can do this from our own browser. Copy. And we're just gonna go to whack manager here. So we already had it open. It's on port 8080. What? Uh-oh, that's not good. I did that. Alright. Isn't troubleshooting fun? This is why we love the up arrow. Alright, well that's fine. Figure this stuff out.
That whole thing calms it out. That whole block. Yeah. You got the new user in there? Yeah.
You got the new user right here. Right there.
That's
In
comment.
a comment block.
Huh?
That's comment.
Ah, crud. Well, that's just stupid, isn't it?
It's time, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. You got that one right. Man, I was just going and going and going too.
That was right on.
Yeah.
Oh, that was cold, man. That was cold.
Yeah, my name is Connor Beth.
What? Oh. What's that? I think you're right. I think there's a chance of being
Things we
Yeah,
noticed.
there it is. How did that get up there?
One battery.
Why is it hooked?
Science.
All right, I think that's right. Looks right, right. All right, now again, gotta love the up arrow. Get it down. Start it up. Cool. Now let's try this again. Hopefully we won't catch that 403.